P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. Purple grapes on the vine, purple Kool-Aid's fine. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple's what that spells. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E,
mail call from Amazon. This is the Brazen from CIVIVI. I already know what it is. The other one I ordered, the Orion Solaris, it still has a shipping label created, waiting on USPS. Okay, that was on the 23rd. Little history behind this. What got me curious, when I ordered this wee Arrakis, it has a hair in it. Looks like a chin hair. Anyway, when I ordered this wee Arrakis, they had a package deal and they sent me a free CIVIVI. I'm not impressed with this CIVIVI. I don't like cleavers for one, and a knife, not too fond of them. The knife's okay, but it's just not my cup of tea. So I decided to see what CIVIVI had to actually offer if I bought one from them. That's where this Brazen came in. And it has a black blade. I still call it stonewash. Okay, one CIVIVI. CIVIVI Brazen Pocket Knife C2023D, made in China. You can get these for about $45 to $55, depending on where you look. Nice little case. Love your new knife, share it with the world. Okay, I'm sharing it with the world. Nice little sticker. Got a cleaning cloth. There's a lot of weight to it for being 3.7 ounces. Huh. Now I'm going to put a link to this blade steel down below in the description. It's a 14CR8N. It's also called Sandvik. I'm going to put a couple links in there and it'll explain what this steel is all about. This is a purple. I like the contrast. Oh, and by the way, did I say how in the hell are you? It's good to see you again. It surely is. And yes, I called you Shirley. So anyway, this is G10. The spacer is G10. It's a purple. You got purple here, you got purple there, you got purple everywhere. It is a liner lock. The clip is tip up, left or right hand. You can switch it. Has a spiffy little lanyard hole. Doesn't look quite big enough to put a lanyard in there because some of my lanyards are pretty thick. This is pretty grippy. Well grippy, feels good. The close length is 4.5 inches. Overall, that opens up sweetly. This is a Tanto. Yes, pay a little bit more, you get a little bit better. That opens up a hell of a lot better than this thing, which I don't like. I don't like that knife. I don't like that at all. Tanto blade, all black, no glaring logos or anything. no skulls or CIVIVIs or C's. Your liner, your lockup is about almost half. It's got a nice little, it's a stainless steel liner, by the way. And what I like about it when they do this, they did the same thing on that Solaris, which I haven't gotten yet. What I like when they do something like this, they also gave me a thumb stud. Because not really, I'm getting used to them. And this one does open without having to flick the wrist. I'm getting used to the flippers. But I don't like the flippers where you have to like, put a bunch of ass into it. So I like a little bit of assisted flipper. But this thumb stud, I've always been a thumb stud fan. It feels better to me. It just feels, it's what I'm used to. So yeah, this is a sweet little yeah, one of them. 5860 on the blade steel, the Rockwell hardness. It's got a flat grind, which is good. I like that. The handle's G10, the spacer's G10, the liner Saints. I said that tip up. Pivot cage is a ceramic. They're ceramic ball bearings. That's what makes it so smooth. This is not an overly huge knife. You compare it to the Benchmade Bug Out. It is a little bit bigger and a little bit longer. I wish I had a girl I would call her. I wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. Not really. That just came to my mind. So yeah. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. I do have a catalog. We can do a sharpness test. December is almost over. Yay me. Here's my sharpness test. Oops. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's got a nice edge on it. This is very, very flammable. This paper is like toilet paper. Yeah. See if we can get some hair. Yeah, we got some hair. Yeah, we did. We got a lot of dry skin too. But yeah, here. One swipe, no sawing. Good. So yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. I like the purple, I like the black. I like the contrast of the two. They did good for, you know, a $50 knife. They did pretty damn good. And that's all I got to say about that. A lot better than this fucking cleaver thingy. Hate that knife. So, I'm going back in. I ain't in the mood. Let's try it on the paper. Something that's not so toilet papery. Yeah. That's factory edge. Good deal. Good deal, CIVIVI. You did good. I'm impressed. I may even buy more of your knives. In the meantime, I have to go now. I am terribly busy. We'll see you.